So I've got something a bit different for you today. This is our Lyra safe. This is a Eurograde 1 safe, but with a twist. The safe has emergency keys, which you don't normally get on Eurograde safes. And they've managed to achieve this in a unique way, but I will explain that to you in a sec. But first of all, let's see how the safe opens normally. So normally to open the safe, you simply enter your unique user code that you can program. In this case, the factory code is just set to the digit 1 for simplicity. The light goes green, we turn this knob, and then we turn this knob to open the boltwork, and we open your safe. As you can see, it's a very, very well made, substantial safe with 2 shelves fitted inside as standard. And it's certified to Eurograde 1, so that's suitable for either £10,000 in cash or up to £100,000 worth of valuables. So this is the smallest in this range, and its height-wise is 605 millimeters, and the width is 500 millimeters, and the depth is 420 millimeters. And the safe weighs in at 76 kilograms and has a internal capacity of 66 litres. In terms of installation, the safe has got a fixing hole at the base that you can see, and additionally, if I lift the shelf up, there's one at the rear. So that's how we can install that safe for you. And this safe has 7 bolts, 2 at the top, 3 on the side, and 2 more down the bottom, and also has these fixed bolts that engage into these receivers. It's very, very robust safe, very, very strong. So as I said, this is the smallest of 4. There's 3 other sizes. The width of 500 remains a constant, and the depth of 420 also remains a constant. The next size up goes to a height of 750, and the next one beyond that is 950, and then the largest one is at 1020. The safe is supplied with this little tool, which goes into a little hole under the keypad, and we push that in, and this knob comes off. So I've set that down to one side, and now what we see is a shaft, which is the knob was connected to, which just simply pulls out. And the safe is supplied with a key, a mechanical key. It only comes with one. We can make extras of these if you need an extra one. Let us know before we deliver the safe and install the safe for you. It's a tiny bit awkward to get in, especially left-handed, and I'm right-handed. But once you're in, that does the same thing as opening the keypad. Turn the knob and you're in, completely mechanically, without any electronics involved at all. Click in the link in the description of the video and it will take you straight to this safe on our website. If you'd like to know more, please visit us at londonsafes.co.uk, where we'd be happy to answer any further questions that you may have. Thanks very much.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.